Yep. No.
Make her yell.
Go. Wink. What a whistle.
Make her yell again.
He's done. It's not at you. He's laughing. He's like, you look like an idiot. Come on. One more time. One more time. Okay. His tongue is like doing this weird thing. He or she or whatever. Is it he or she? I think it's a she. I don't think it's a she. I would call it a she. The minute he comes over, goes away. I have fun with it, having a party. No. Thing one, thing two. He wants to listen to me. He doesn't want to. It might be a boy. It doesn't like that. See? He knows he's being filmed.
Do it again. Do it again, guys.
Ow, jeez. Sounds a beat. Woo! Woo! He's like, what? That's a little creepy. It's a little disturbing. Different volumes are going on. Nope. He's like, alright, let's go see the other animal. Bye.